Are you ready? Let's go! Will be your tourist guide and advisor and bring you with me to the most futuristic town in the world. Because there are 10 things you must know before you visit Dubai. Number 1. No, you don't have to speak Arabic to visit Dubai or even to move to Dubai. And you have translations everywhere in a perfect English. First of all, you must know that Dubai is not a country. It's a town, it's a city. United Emirates, or UAE as we call it, is made by 7 emirates. Abu Dhabi, the capital, Sharjah, Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah, Ajman, Al Quwain, and Dubai. But Dubai is a very multi-ethnic city. You can find people from everywhere, and all the others are expat. Like me, I am Italian. Number 2. Dress code is very important in Dubai, but will not change your life. If you are going to a public place, malls, court, immigration, wherever there are locals, and even in the street, it's better you cover yourself for 2 reasons. Respect. Just respect other cultures, and you don't have to be extreme and provocative. You will jump from 40 centigrades outside to 18 centigrades indoor. A little bit weird. The first month I moved to Dubai, I had a high fever because of that. It was very hard for me, but then I get used to. So better to cover yourself also because it's cold. I will show you some examples. Hey! This is okay. This one, also perfect. This one, perfecto. Oh, this? Oh no! Oh, no, come on. Anyway, you can dress whatever you want in the club and in the beach. Whatever you feel comfortable, you can use it. You must know that every hotels have a pool, so you are free to wear what you need for the swimming pool as long as you are not naked. Number 3. You must know that Dubai is totally safe. There is no criminality. I moved alone with my son, and I can assure you that is the most safe place in the world because no one will hurt you or try to bother you. I used to leave the key inside the car open with the bag and the money in my wallet, and nobody ever touched it. I forget my mobile everywhere several times in the taxis or in the malls. I always had my mobile back. Will makes you feel free to live, especially with kids. A woman will never be bothered. But there is another side of Dubai that I will show you in the next video, so stay tuned and subscribe for more. Number 4. Yes, if you come to visit Dubai, you are allowed to drink, but only in special places. There are 2 different situations. You can drink inside your hotel, in the restaurants, in the clubs. Of course, you will not find alcohol in the malls. As long as you are 21 years old and above, you are allowed to drink. If you want to buy alcohol and bring it at your house or at your hotel, you need a license. Number 5. Once you reach the airport of Dubai, you want to go to sleep or you want to go to make party. If you are a couple, if you are a single person, if you are with a family, you can have a lot of fun. This is one of the most exciting parts of Dubai because there is a lot to watch. Something new or incredible will be built for tourism. There are a lot of apps that will help you to reach whatever you want and to book your tickets online in case you have to. There is the Dubai Mall, the biggest mall in the world, where you can find everything from the cheapest to the highest brands. And if you go to the mall, just check out this. You have to watch it. Check out Kidzania. There is the cinema. There is the ice skating. There is a huge aquarium. Ta-da! is connected with the Burj Khalifa, so you can go straight to the top. As you can see, are you ready? Let's go. Let's do a virtual tour, but I will tell you, nothing will be the same if you don't prove this with your own feelings. So let's go in the elevator, and once you come up, the pressure will hurt a little bit your ears. This elevator is not allowed for kids under 12 years old, just for safety for the ears. Yeah, okay, let's have a look together down. But it's better you watch it yourself. Could you imagine how beautiful it would be to be here right now? As I told you, Dubai Mall is connected with the Burj Khalifa. Under the Burj Khalifa, you will find the Dubai fountains. A spectacular show that you will see every 30 minutes, so you have time enough to watch it till late night. You have to watch it with your own eyes. Believe me. Something else you can do? Safari. Let's go to the safari. And yes, you can ride a camel. Another incredible thing you can do is a big jump. Skydiving. This is something only for those who have a strong heart and watching such an amazing view like this. Yeah. You can also enjoy the aqua park. Another thing you can do is book a ticket to the Dubai Frame. You can go to Trade Center to visit the exhibitions. Something you must know is that during the shopping festival, you can find some affordable, incredible deals. For instance, even the technological stuff are less expensive because there is no tax. Some other stuff that you can visit and enjoy. Interesting, Number 6. Another thing you must know about Dubai is the weather. It will be very, very hot only during the summer, and used to reach very high temperature, whether you come in a high season from October to April. But if you are on the budget, you must know that the low season will be from May to September, so you will save some money. It will be cheaper, but it will be hot. Number 7. Something very important you must know before visit Dubai is that no drugs are allowed. First of all, it's not healthy for yourself and also is very dangerous. If you try to bring some drugs in UAE, you really can be jailed. If you are traveling and if you need to bring with you some kind of drugs or medicines, you will surely need an original medical certificate and the original stamp of the UAE embassy of your country. Number 8. You must know that your driving license will be fine. You can rent a car and for 1 month you are allowed to use your driving license. To talk about the traffic in Dubai and how people drive, I suggest you to use taxis. Taxis are very cheap. Another thing you must know about Dubai is that it's not a rule, but it's better if you leave a tip. A small one, like 5 dirhams. I will also talk about the people who built and who is still building Dubai. Leave a small tip, it will be really appreciated. Number 9. What you must know is that you don't have to be a billionaire to live in Dubai. Move to Dubai or come to visit Dubai for vacation are two different things. If you want to move, there is a lot of work, and if you have the degrees, will, capacity to do your job, you will do a good profit. If you are on vacation, you will surely spend money. And I will explain you in another video how to come to visit Dubai on a budget. Number 10. You must know that there is on Instagram a very important hashtag where you can find a lot of pictures about Dubai. It's called hashtag #MyDubai. Even the royal family use it. It will be very interesting to scroll the page of Instagram and have a look. So this was my 10 things you must know about Dubai. There are so many things to say about it and I will do it in the next video. So stay tuned on my channel. Let me know all your questions. Please put a thumbs up and don't waste your time. Subscribe right now. I am a singer and actually my website is www.singerindubai.com. So this is a special answer from Dubai, UAE to all of you in the other side of the internet. Ciao, ciao, ciao!